How to fix unexpected kernel mode trap blue error in Windows. Here are some tips that would help fix unexpected kernel mode trap blue error in Windows. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Power off your PC, then reset your hardware, RAM, CPU, and alike. Try removing any newly installed hardware. 3. Update your Windows 10. 4. Update faulty drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Run Windows 10 Integrated Memory Diagnostic Tool. Plan B, run MEM Test 86 Plus. 6. Run sfc/scano, and chkdsk, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, as admin. 7. Disable memory caching from BIOS. 8. Other tips are, run BSOD troubleshooter. Disable or remove. Using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, third-party security software. Use chkdsk command, chkdsk/rc. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, existing graphics card driver and re-update it using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Check if your cables are properly connected. Back up your personal stuff, reset Windows 10.